Most people get this wrong when they search for long game app payment proof. They see a screenshot online and immediately assume it proves everything. But here's the truth no one tells you. A screenshot by itself rarely tells the full story. In this video, you'll learn how to evaluate long game payment proof in 2026, what genuine proof should include, and how to avoid being misled by incomplete information. Let's get straight to the answer. When people talk about payment proof, they're usually referring to evidence that a reward, payout, or redemption was successfully processed and received. The key word here is received. That's where many viewers get confused. Here's a quick win. A screenshot showing points, rewards, or account balances is not the same thing as proof of a completed redemption. Those are two very different stages of the process. For example, Alex shares a screenshot showing a large rewards balance in his account. While that demonstrates activity within the app, it doesn't necessarily show that a reward was redeemed or delivered. A complete payment proof would typically include additional evidence showing the entire process. But here's the problem. Many screenshots online are cropped, edited, or shared without context. Some show only the beginning of the process, while others leave out important details that viewers need to understand what actually happened. This is where most people fail. They focus on a single image instead of evaluating the complete sequence. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The strongest payment proof usually includes multiple pieces of information. This could include redemption history, confirmation messages, delivery notifications, timestamps, or a clear explanation of how the reward was received. Here's another quick win. Look for consistency rather than one impressive screenshot. If multiple users describe similar experiences over time and explain the redemption process in detail, that information is often more useful than a single image shared on social media. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to evaluate payment claims. Whenever you see payment proof, ask 3 simple questions. Does it show a completed redemption? Does it include confirmation details? And does the explanation match how the platform currently operates? Those questions can help you assess claims more effectively. Another important point is managing expectations. Even if a payment proof appears genuine, it should not be viewed as a guarantee of future results. Rewards, features, availability, and user experiences can vary depending on updates, account activity, and location. Let's recap. A screenshot alone is not enough to verify long game payment proof. The strongest evidence includes multiple stages of the redemption process, clear confirmation details, and consistent user experiences that support the claim. If this guide helped you better understand how to evaluate payment proof, leave a comment with your thoughts, hit the like button, and subscribe for more app reviews, reward platform guides, and tech tutorials.